Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expressions. Let us write the various expressions. It is here you see, this is question number 1, this is serial number, this is serial number, this is serial. Here we are writing here as serial number. This is serial number. You are finding here serial number, right? Here you can write the various expressions. These are the various expressions. Right? And here you can write the various terms. We are writing here. Various terms, but other than constants, right? And the last one is numerical coefficients. Numerical. This is the various numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients. COEFFICIENTS. Now serial number 1. Serial 1 here you see this is the expression is 5 minus 3t square minus 3t square, right? The various terms other than constants are here you see minus 3t square, that is minus 3t square, and the numerical coefficient here you see the multiplication of t square is with minus 3, that is the numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient is minus 3, right? Now question number 2 or serial number 2. Serial number is 2 is 1 plus t, 1 plus t square plus t square plus t cube plus t cube, right? Plus t cube. Here the terms are, the various terms are, one is t, right? Another one is t square, and is t cube. These are the various terms, right? And numerical coefficient here you see it is multiplied with 1, right? And t square is also multiplied with 1, and t cube is also multiplied by 1, right? That means numerical coefficients is 1, right? Now question number 3. In question number 3 you can see the expression is, in question number 3 the expression is x plus 2xy plus 3y. The various terms are, first one is x, second one is 2xy, and third one is 3y. 3 terms, right? In first, x is multiplied by 1, that is 1 is the numerical coefficient. xy is multiplied by 2, therefore 2 is the numerical coefficients, and 3y, in this case 3 is the numerical coefficient because y is multiplied by 3, that is 1, 2 and 3, right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see question number 4, 100m plus 100n, 100m plus 100 plus 1000n, 100m plus 1000 plus 1000n. Now the various terms you see here is 100m, and also 1000n, 1000n. Now here see numerical coefficient m is multiplied by 100, therefore the numerical coefficient is 100, and n is multiplied by 1000, therefore the numerical coefficient is 1000. Numerical coefficient is 1000, right? That means we got all these terms. Now we'll solve question number 5. Now you see question number 5 is, question number 5. Now again we are writing question number 5, that is serial number. First of all we write the serial number. This is the serial number, this is the expression. This is the expressions. This is the expression, and this is the terms. These are the various terms, and this is the numerical coefficients. This is numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients. Now we have done up to question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5 or question number 5. Question number 5. The expressions are minus p square q square minus p square q square plus 7pq plus 7pq p u. Therefore the terms are minus p square q square minus p square q square. Another term is 7pq 7pq. Here you see that minus 1 is multiplied with the term p square q square. Therefore the numerical coefficient is minus 1. pq is multiplied by 7. Therefore the numerical coefficient is 7. Right? That is minus 1 and 7. Now question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is. Question number 6 is. This is question number 6. 1.2a. The expression is 1.2. 1.2a plus 0.8 plus 0.8b. Right? Now the terms are 1.2a, 1.2a. Another one is 0.8, 0.8b. To find the numerical coefficient, here you see that a is multiplied with 1.2. Therefore the numerical coefficient is 1.2. Here you see b is multiplied with 0.8. Therefore the numerical coefficient will be 0.8. Right? Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 you see here is question number 7. The expression of question number 7 is 3.14 r square. Therefore there is only one term here, that is 3.14 r square. Here you see that r square is multiplied with 3.14. Therefore the numerical coefficient will be 3.14. That is 3.14. And question number 8. Question number 8 is here you see 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the 8? Question number 8. That is 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into L plus B. L plus B. Right? Here the terms, there is only one term. Right? Here the terms can be written as, right? That is question number 8. Terms can be written as, you can write it here. The expression can be written as 2L plus 2B. That is 2L plus 2B. If you multiply 2 with it, that is 2L plus 2B. Therefore, the terms can be written as 2L and 2B. There are two terms. The two terms are 2L and 2B. Right? L is multiplied with 2. Therefore, the numerical coefficient is 2. This term B is multiplied with number 2. Therefore, the numerical coefficient will be 2. Right? This is the numerical coefficient. Now, question number 9. Question number 9 you see here is. Question number 9 is 0.1 y plus 0.01 plus 0.01 y square. Now you see, here you see there are two terms, that is 0.1 y and also 0.01 y square. Y is multiplied with 0.1, therefore the numerical coefficient will be 0.1. And y square is multiplied with 0.01, therefore the numerical coefficient will be 0.01. Right? In this way, you can find the various numerical coefficient terms in the given expressions. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.